Menteri Rambak Kacelau Konrad K. Sangma ulaong baka sarkar kadon jingtmu ban penbha ban penkelano ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University kum ka State University ban penrungno ya kiwi kilanjing pule hagate ka sekolah ba ulaong baka jela harup menta kampat don ya University Lajong bala susanya sekanehu Henry menta on penkelas State University ya kane kenang bagi college paper kila ban peniso elade baka University jong ka jela ula ongru bakane kala ban weng yikiwe ki jingwet kum ka jingele ya kasi.
This is basically being done because the state does not have a state university, and hence we find that all the colleges have to affiliate to NEHU, and hence since we already had the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University, the cabinet decided that we will expand the scope of the technical university into a state university and allow our colleges which are within our state the option to affiliate to the state university rather than to NEHU. And once that does happen, then other provisions at the national level, including the CUET exams, which were necessary, then in that case would not be applicable anymore once these colleges affiliate to the Captain Williamson Sangma State University. But apart from that, of course, the idea is to expand the university's work and subjects from just technical to state university.